In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join the official Minecraft Discord server here on Discord. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you're trying to join the official Minecraft Discord server, then this video is for you. The first thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually open up a web browser of your choice. In this case, we're going to use Google Chrome, but you could do this on any web browser. It doesn't necessarily matter. On top of that, you could do this on a mobile device as well. It doesn't just have to be on your computer. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is search up Minecraft Discord, just like so, and then hit enter, and it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, the very first link on this page is going to be the official invite for the official Minecraft Discord server. As you can see, there's actually a ton of members in here, which is absolutely insane. Simply go ahead and select that link, and it's going to go ahead and redirect you to a page that looks like this, which will then redirect you into Discord, where you'll be prompted to accept this invite. Simply go ahead and accept that and you are good to go. It'll ask you to customize the way that the server looks for you, where you can like fill out your roles and stuff. And then finally, you'll be prompted to accept the rules. After doing so, you'll be able to see all of the channels that the Minecraft Discord server has to offer. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.